Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and this is the Nanuk 903 Professional Protective Case and how you make a bespoke foam insert for your valuable equipment, like a pulsar axion and all the essential bits and bobs that you want to go with it, simply with a pick and pluck foam option. Roughly plan where you want things to fit, starting with the largest item. There's a good 79mm of depth to the 903, which is plenty of space for this axion and the cables to be upright. Once you've got your rough layout, sketch it to give yourself a plan to work to. You can just pick and pluck the foam, but there's a couple of tools that might help. Some toothpicks and a sharp knife. Again, starting with the largest item, the pulsar axion, position it in place and mark the corners with toothpicks. I want a nice, snug, secure fit, so I'm going a bit undersized, sticking in the toothpicks where the half-inch pick and pluck foam squares intersect. For a more professional job, I'm going to cut the foam to also fit around the lenses as well as the main body, removing the deeper main body parts first. As I've mentioned, you can just pull the foam apart, but I like to use a knife and, of course, measure twice, cut once. Once you've started, the foam easily teases apart and leaves you with a nice edge. No harm in checking again before I make the next cut, making sure I only go to the depth I want for the eyepiece before carefully scoring through the foam. And it's the same process for the objective lens. And again, cutting a bit out for the wrist strap. That's the hardest part done. It's the same idea for the next largest item, the plug. Make sure you're giving yourself enough room for the other components, with at least one full square of foam surrounding everything. Mark it up with the toothpicks, cut and pluck the deeper parts, and then the shallower bits. Now the final two components that I want to keep in the Nanuk case. And that's it. Snug, very secure, and for my very first pick and pluck insert, that wasn't too difficult to do. If you'd like to see me have a go with some other inserts in Nanuk cases, or for more from Nanuk, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.